Hello. Yeah, hi. Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Mradul.
Yeah, hi, Sonali.
Okay, so did you download those things? The VM box and everything?
Yeah, so I downloaded from Sigwin in my this laptop.
Okay, okay. So Sigwin has been downloaded. You are able to write any command and all?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, no issues. Okay, so let's start. I'm sharing my screen, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
So what was the last we did? And did you check those exercises and all?
Hello. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You checked them?
Last, yeah, we were doing this we were doing the PS command. We were
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, the processes one chapter we are doing. Okay. So we have to start shell scripting today, okay? Now I'll be on my speed only, simple speed, okay? As I
yeah,
teach.
yeah.
I'll start from the very basics, the shell scripting, okay? Whatever
Mm.
the if. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So it is a simple shell script program, okay, to print files of a directory, show logged in users, and your current working directory. We have to do two things through a shell script, okay. You have to print files of a directory, then we have to show the logged in users, and then the current working directory. Okay, so how we will be doing that? And try doing the exercises, okay, and whatever
Okay.
you face in the questions and all,
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
because more and more exercises I'll be giving you day by day.
Okay.
Okay, so this is your sample script. Firstly, I'm making a directory by your name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you'll be doing all the programs in that directory only. So this is a sample program. So I'm writing sample.sh. So each and every file which we give means a shell script we make, we give an extension of .sh.
Yeah, yeah.
So here I am writing a comment. This is my sample script. Do it with me, dear. Okay.
Okay.
And when you run it, okay, when you run it,
Mm.
so share me, send me the screenshot that it has run, the program has run, okay.
Okay, 1 second. Mm-hmm.
So my question is, firstly I have to print files of the directory. So the directory has no files right now, okay. Okay, but we print the files of the directory through ls. Okay, then show logged in users. Can you tell me how to see the logged in users? What is the command? What is the command to see the logged in users?
Uh, who am I?
Yes, yes. Who am I? Okay. So who is the command? And pwd. Okay, last command. So I write all of them. I save my file. Okay. I give permission or to run it, to execute it. So you can see ls has shown me the file name ls, then who has shown me who has logged into my terminal, and pwd has shown me my current present working directory. My file has run like that.
Okay.
So did you have you done it?
Yeah, we're doing merciless.
Yes. Please send it. Did you do it?
Yeah, yeah, one second. Yeah, done it.
Okay. So will you share that? Show me the screenshot.
One second.
On the chat, send me on the chat here on the meeting audio, okay?
Yeah, one second. Screen snapping tool.
Okay, send me afterwards, okay?
Yeah, yeah. One minute. I'm just opening that snapping tool.
Okay, no issues, you send me afterwards, okay?
Okay, okay.
You send me all of those programs which you are doing right now afterwards, okay?
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay, so this is my next part is interactive shell script. What does this interactive shell script means? Interactive shell script means that it talks to the user, okay? So the two very basic words in the shell vocabulary are read and echo. Read is for accepting the input, and echo is to display the output. Okay, so here you can see this is an interactive shell script. Okay, so I'm just writing an interactive shell script. So here I write a comment. This is an interactive shell script. Writing a comment is of no use, but it speculates your program actually. What happens that in sometimes in future if you open it, you know by the comment itself that the program, what does this mean? Okay, or somebody else who is
Mm.
opening it, okay,
Yeah, yeah.
he knows the fact that why you have made this program. So I write echo enter your name, read name, echo enter your age, read age, echo my name is dollar name and age is dollar age. Is this clear? Have you written it?
I'm written.
Write it. So it is saying that echo enter your name. So read name. Name is a variable which will take my name. Similarly, echo enter your age. Age is a variable which will take my age. So dollar is used to print the value of the variable. So that's why I printed my name is dollar name and age is dollar age.
Mhm. Enter your age.
So it's asking me my name, my age. Okay.
Can you show me once again?
Yes, 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 sure.
Read age equal my name is dollar name. Yeah,
Okay, is it done?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now save it and run it. So when I run it, name is Sonali and age is 30, suppose. So this is the result.
Yes,
So did you understood the program? This is how an interactive shell script is made.
yes, yes.
Now, what are shell variables? Okay, so these are an integral part of shell programming. They provide the ability to store and manipulate information within a shell program. Okay, so we can create any number of variables we want, but as compared with other languages, um, what happens is that other languages we have to declare the data type of the variables. like that it is integer or it is a character or it is string. But here in Unix you need not to declare the data type of the variable, because they are already declared as string.
Hmm.
Okay, so they are already declared as strings, we need not to declare them. Okay, we can use them directly. Okay, so it can be any character or letter from small a to z or capital A to Z. It can be 0 to 9, or we can include underscore also. Okay, just like example, you can see si underscore int, m underscore hra, pop underscore e underscore 18. Okay, all
Yeah.
these are the shell variables. Okay,
Okay.
there
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
no limit on the length of the variable name. We can give as much big amount of variable name we want.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now there are some reserved keywords. Okay, so keywords are those words whose meaning has already been explained to the shell. Okay, suppose echo, read, set, unset, read only, shift, export, if, fi, all these are keywords which have already been set, and their value has been already explained to the shell. Okay, so you can't use them as variable name. Okay, you
Yeah.
can't
Yeah.
print echo is equals to 20. Okay, because echo is a command.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
these are all those variable names you can see here: shift, export, if, fi, else, while, do, done, for, until, case, act, break, continue, exit, return, trap, wait, eval, exec, you limit, you mask, all of these. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now some way of assigning values to the variable. Okay, so we can
Mm-hmm.
give any value we want. Suppose a is equals to 20, I give. Okay, a underscore 90 is equals to any value I can give. Okay, it's not necessary that we have to give a single letter, or we have to give a single word. Okay, using underscore characters also we can give our values. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
suppose hmm, as you can see here, we can give the path of the directory also, as I can say path is equals to, okay, slash home slash sonali. Like this also we can give. So I do, if I write echo dollar path, so I'm getting this value. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
any value I can give. Okay, there are two types of variables in Unix. First is Unix defined variable, and second is user defined variables. Unix defined variables are those variables which are defined by the Unix, okay, which are,
Yeah.
we can see them, all those commands. And user defined are which we define at
Mm-hmm.
random for our
Okay.
scripts. Okay, so these are some Unix defined variables. We can see them through the set command. So when you run the set command, set pipe more. Okay, so you
Mm-hmm.
can see all those Unix defined variables. You can see bash value, user pen bash. You can see many of these values. Mail check, PS1. Do you know what is this PS1, PS2?
PS1. No. No.
Okay, so you can see my PWD has been set for home Sonali Mradul right now. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm in right now in this directory. Okay, what is PS1? At the last of this PS1, can you see this dollar symbol? Dollar symbol. And
Yes.
PS2, you can see this greater than symbol, and PS4, you can see this plus symbol.
Yeah. Yeah.
These are system prompt one. So you can see how my system prompt has been set using this, that at the end a dollar should come. As let me show you. When I see my terminal here, control C I do, okay. So you can see here my terminal at the last dollar is coming. So this is
Mm-hmm.
what PS1 is setting. Okay, the system prompt one. If I put an if command, okay, if a is equals to 20, suppose I put, just a second, okay, if a is equals to 20, I do, and I put Okay, you can see a, a greater than symbol is coming. This is system prompt 2, PS2.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
So these are all PS1, PS2, and if more and more we do, so PS4 also comes into existence where 4 plus symbol comes. Okay, so this has already been set by the system that how to display that dollar symbol and each and everything. So you can see here all these are written UID, my UID is 1000, user is Sonali, username is Sonali. You can see everything has been set already, and we can see that through the set command.
Mm-hmm. TMP user is done.
You can see that. Now I'm doing control C, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and coming out. So these all are system defined variables, okay, already defined by the system. So you can see here some of these have been listed here also, which include PS2, the system prompt to default value is greater than path, which you know when I do echo dollar path, or I can do is set pipe grep path. So you can see many paths are coming. You can see this path,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Many paths are coming, or I can do is grep hyphen w path, then to this values will come, okay. So you can see this is my path, which sets up what is this path used for actually. Whenever I install something, okay, suppose I install a game, I install mouse or any configuration file I'm installing, okay, or a telnet or anything I'm installing, so they pick up the path from here, that where they need to be installed, okay. So all is written behind, they do it automatically, we need not to give them, specify them path that where to do that, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So path home, echo dollar home will show my home, current home directory. Log name will show me the login name. Mail will tell me the mail. Okay, define the file where the mail of the user is stored. Mail check IFS. IFS stands for internal field separator. What is my current IFS value? Okay, whether it can be space or a tab or a new line. Then
Okay.
shell, then term, then tz. All these are some examples of the display which we did through set command. Okay.
Okay.
So here it is already I've shown that the list of all these system variables and their values can be displayed by saying a set command. Okay. And user defined variables, as you already know, they are defined by the user. Okay. Null
Mm.
variables. What are null variables? Null variables are those variables which have no value. Either we can do it like this, or we can do it like this, or we can give it a single quotes and we can do it like this. Echo dollar a I'll do. It's a null variable. If I do echo dollar a pipe, okay, WC hyphen C, so it show me one because it always shows an extra number. Okay, so I have to do minus one. Okay,
Mm.
so it means that no existence. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
What time is this at your side? How much time gap is there?
It is 7:33 morning.
Okay, okay. So at what time do you join your office?
Eight
Mornings?
8:30 after 8:30.
Okay. Okay, so this is unchanging variables. Okay, now if suppose I make a variable read only, what does this read only variable mean? Okay, what
Mm-hmm.
does this read only variable mean? That if I make a variable read only, nobody can change the variable value. again. Okay,
Hmm.
suppose var is equals to 30 I do. Okay, I can
Hmm.
make it var is equals to 40. I do equal dollar var.
Hmm.
It is
40.
40 right now. Okay, I do read only var. Okay, now
Hmm.
I change the value of var is equals to 50. So you can see the error has come that bash var is only a read-only variable. You can't
Hmm.
alter it. Okay.
Okay.
So these are read-only variables. If you want to see the values of all the read-only variables, just write a read-only at the command line. And you can see all those read-only variables which are already declared by the system, whether it is bash ops, bash version, EUID, PPID, shell ops, UID, var which we declared recently.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. Now positional parameters. Do you know anything about positional parameters?
Yeah, yeah, little bit.
Okay. So what happens? What are positional parameters? When we need to convey information to a program, okay, which can be done by specifying arguments at the command line. Okay,
Hmm.
so when we want to convey information to a program, okay, using arguments at the command line. Okay, so there are some variables defined by the shell, okay, which are named from $1 till $9. Okay, suppose I set a line, set, okay, set hello, I am Rajiv Gupta. Okay, I do echo $1. So hello will come in echo 1, 2 will come in I do 4. So what would be my answer? Please
One,
check.
two, Rajiv.
Rajiv. I press enter and I get this Rajiv. Okay. So
Hmm.
this is how it is printed. Okay. From 1 to 9. Suppose I have a very big line. Okay. Hello, I am Rajiv Gupta. I'm learning something very big line. Okay.
Hmm.
Now till echo $9 it will print me the value. Okay. Till echo
Hmm.
$9 it will print me the value. But what about echo $10? So what it is doing is, since the numbers are only defined from 1 to 9, okay, so till
Hmm.
1 to 9 it has printed me. Now what it has taken is, it has taken echo $1, it has printed me the echo $1 value, and after this it has put a 0.
Yeah.
Understood? Echo
Yes.
$1 value has been printed, and after that a put 0 has been put. Okay, so two
Hmm.
ways are there to rectify this problem. That because I have to make it reasonable that every each and every part of the line should be printed. Okay, so two ways are there. First is shift command. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
first is shift command, and another is, firstly let me tell you this. Okay, echo dollar, in braces I will write my value. I
Hmm.
write 12, it will be printed. I write 15, it will be printed. I write 14, 13, it will be printed. Okay, so this is
Hmm.
one way to print it. And another way to print is, suppose I set it. Okay, I do
Hmm.
echo $10, I am not getting it. Okay, I
Hmm.
what I'll be doing is I'll do shift one. So one word will be shifted. Okay, so my $1 will become I.
Okay.
Okay, so what happens is, if I suppose I shifted 3, I do shifted 2, I do. Okay, so the other the backward position words get a chance to being displayed from 1 to 9.
Hmm.
Okay, so suppose I did do shift 4, so my echo $1 will become, can you tell me what would be my echo $1 value now?
One,
2,
two,
3,
Rajiv.
4. So it will be Gupta because 4 will be skipped. One,
Okay.
2, 3, 4 will be skipped. So Gupta will be, since Gupta dot A, it considers
Hmm.
space. Okay, so everything is printed. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, now suppose if I do equal $9, it is printing me engineer.
Hmm.
Understood. So there are two ways. Either you can do it with shift command or you can do it with that curly braces. Both ways are okay, but better is the way to do it with curly braces.
Hmm.
Rather to be in confusion that how much shift we need to do and how much to
Hmm.
print. It's easier to do in that way, but we need to know both of them. Okay, shift command is also useful. So here what we are doing is we are writing a shell script to accept two file names from the command line. Okay, copy the first file to second one and then display it. Okay, let's do it. So I do positional parameter one dot. Let me create firstly. Let me create a. Okay, we have two files. Okay, so I do pp1 dot sh means positional parameter one dot sh. Okay, so it is saying we have to copy one file to another file. Okay, so I do cp $1 to $2. Okay, then I have to display the second file. Okay, and I'll ask the user to give the values of $1 and $2. So the values of $1 and $2 are given at runtime actually. Okay, when we run the file. This is the concept of positional parameter. Okay, so
Hmm.
suppose I did this. Did you copy this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm moving. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, I give permission. Okay, I'll give the value. So first is $1. So since two I have used, two positional parameters I have used now.
Hmm.
Okay, two positional parameters I have used. So I'll be giving the value of both of them. So suppose I give the value here I had sample.sh. Okay, I need to copy it to gg.txt suppose. Okay, I press enter. So you can see it has been copied also and my gg.txt has been created and it has been displayed also.
Hmm. Yeah.
Did you run it?
Yes.
Okay. If I do set, okay, any command also would work in set. It's not necessary that we have to give a sentence only. But if I have to evaluate the command, so I have to give it in back quotes. Okay, the value of that command. If I write it like this, okay. Now if I do echo $1, you can see like this. It will be printed. If echo $4, echo $3. Understood? So any
Hmm.
command I can give. It's not necessary. I can write cat also gg.txt. Okay. Now I do echo $1. This echo $4 sample. Understood?
Okay.
Now if I have to count how many positional parameters are there. Okay. So in order to count all those positional parameters, we have echo $hash. So there are a total of 8 positional parameters which have been set right now. And if I have to display all those positional parameters, that will be displayed by echo $asterisk or echo $@.
What is that eco dollar at the rate?
Which one? First, second, third.
Second and third?
Second is asterisk, star, and last is at the rate. The symbol above two.
No, no. I was asking that what eco dollar star means this.
Okay, star and at the rate both means to display whatever has been set by us.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, to display the positional parameters, we use this eco dollar asterisk and at the rate. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
So this is an example of shift command. Okay, try doing it by yourself. Okay, not a big at handy. Okay.
Mm.
So now I am making a calculator script. Okay. Did we do it before? Calculator script.
No,
Okay.
no.
Okay. So I am making a calculator script. Okay. Do you know the concept why I have used a backslash in front of this into multiply sign? Do you know this concept?
No, no, no. This I'm confused.
Okay.
When you are assigning thing, that backslash has to be used. Is
No,
it?
no, no, no. Actually, what is this add you understood? Add,
Mm.
subtract, this
Mm-hmm.
both you understood.
Mm.
Multiplication, okay, when we multiply, here you know that star in Unix stands for anything or everything. We do ls star, we
Mm.
do na ls star, and it prints me each and every file name of the current directory. Okay,
Mm.
so asterisk stands in Unix for each and everything. Okay, so in order to change the meaning of asterisk to multiplication symbol, we use this backslash.
Okay.
Okay, so that it becomes a multiplication symbol. Okay, rather than displaying the data of the files or of the directory. Okay, that's why we use a backslash. And division, I have done $num divided by $2. Okay, so
Mm.
echo, I'm displaying all of them. The addition is $add, subtraction is $sub, multiplication is, you can write small also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm.
I run it. So it's asking me enter the numbers. Okay, suppose I give 20. I give 5. So addition is 25, subtraction is 15, multiplication is 100, and division is 4.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, shall I show you the script? Do it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Done
Done.
it.
Okay, so this was the calculator script. Okay, all the points are clear, or do I need to explain you anything? Please ask me. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
any line is not clear to you? It's okay.
Clear.
Okay. So now read and echo revisited. It means that suppose I want to echo, backslash n concept, backslash c, all of these new line escape characters. Suppose I want to write like this: echo I like work. Okay, backslash n. I can sit and watch it for hours. Okay, it means that I like work will come in one line, and another line will have I can sit and watch it for hours. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me show you. So I write echo hyphen e is for enabling it. Okay, those are escape characters. Okay, okay. So I press enter. You can see it has come automatically in the new line because I have enabled the new line character. Okay, suppose if I do if echo hyphen e. So you can see a tab character has been enabled. Backslash t stands for tab character. So you can see hello work done. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
So if we want the cursor to wait and then the end of the echoed line, okay? Suppose we want the cursor to wait at the end of the echoed line, okay? So this will I'll explain you afterwards, okay? So when we'll be doing any program, okay, we'll be covering this backslash c also. Okay, what it will do is that enter your choice, okay,
Mm.
and it will wait on the next that my choice will be entered here only rather than escaping on the new line, okay. So my choice will be entered on that particular line only. That is known as carriage return,
Okay.
okay.
Mm.
So this I have already explained you. Now we move on to predefined variables and access. Okay, what are predefined variables and access? All programming languages use variables to retain data, okay, for later use or modification. We know that
Mm.
variables are a major part, okay, of programming language. Unlike compiled languages, most scripting languages do not require a type declaration before a variable is created. Okay,
Mm.
so the
Okay.
value of the variable is accessed by preceding the variable name with the dollar sign. We know it already. Okay, now suppose what happens is that we declare a variable. Okay, suppose I declared a variable var underscore one is equals to 20. It is displayed here. Okay, it is
Mm.
displayed. But when I do open a subsequent bash, means bash inside another bash, the value is not visible. This is wrong now. It should be available to subsequent bashes as well. Means it should be made an environment variable. Okay, it
Mm.
should be available everywhere. Okay,
Mm.
so
Mm.
what we do is we export that variable. Export var underscore one. Okay, not here. This was my bash. Okay, here I did export var underscore one because I have declared it here only. Okay, now I do bash and I do echo dollar var underscore one. So it is variable value. You can see it here. I do another bash and here I do echo dollar var underscore one. You can see it. I do another bash. I do echo dollar var underscore one. You can see it here. I exit it here now. You can do exit or control D. Both will work.
Okay.
Sorry, 4 exit I did, so my terminal has closed. Okay.
Yeah. Accessing value.
If I have to find the length of the variable, we can do is a is equals to is a very big variable. Okay.
Mm.
Suppose if I have to find the length of the variable, what I'll do? Can you tell me? I'll do wc
Mm.
hyphen c
Okay. Okay. Let me see.
to find the length of the variable, but this wc gives me an extra space. Okay, it considers an extra space and gives me an extra value. The value is 33, but it is giving me 34. It does not gives me exact value actually. Okay, so what to do is that in order to remove this error, we can do is we can put this here and we can do it like this. Hash is used for counting. You can remember that in positional parameter also we were using echo dollar hash. So it was counting the positional parameters. Similarly here also we are using hash for counting. Similarly in arrays also we will be using to count how many array elements are there. We are using hash. Okay,
Okay.
understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now if I want to
Mm.
see the current shell, I can do it with echo dollar shell. Okay, or I
Mm.
can do echo dollar zero as well. Okay, both will give me the same answer. Echo dollar zero is a positional parameter only, because dollar zero till dollar nine it has been named, but dollar zero will be always default bash only.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
you know BC EXPR, the difference between BC and EXPR.
That BC is for calculator expression is for calculating the expression.
And any actually a BC is for means it can
Mm.
calculate float values as well. Okay, but
Okay.
EXPR can't do that. Suppose if I do EXPR 2 plus 6, my value is 8. I do 6.9. It's saying
Mm.
it is a non-integer argument. Only integer values it can take. Okay, if I do BC, okay, BC, and I write it 2.78 plus 4.88, okay, like this. So you can see the value. So float values and decimal values can also be calculated by BC, but it cannot be done by EXPR. This is a drawback of EXPR, you can say. Okay.
Mm.
So this is the major difference between BC and EXPR. The next we have is let. Let command also we have. Suppose A is equals to 20, B is equals to 30. Let C is equals to A plus B. So equal dollar C we do, we get 50. Okay, so let is another command for printing purpose. I do let A plus plus. Okay, I do equal dollar A, so it has become 21.
If I do BC, 1 second, 3. And BC, why it is showing me command not found?
Okay, it might not be there. BC in Sigwin it might not be there. That's why it's showing you command not
Okay.
found.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
so these are the difference between EXPR, BC, okay,
Mm.
and let command. So these are the three commands for performing the mathematical operations. Okay, so rest we'll be discussing tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. From T command we have to start. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So please try take out some time and revise all of that. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.